Hey YouTube, this is Jordan with the JT Stump Grinding. I want to do an update on my pockets for my Greenteeth that I run on my Alpine Magnum. I have started just running 2 pockets with 2 teeth total. And you know what? That just seems to be the sweet spot with this little machine. I was running 4 teeth with these pockets and it worked, but it seemed like there were some vibrations at different, like higher speeds. And so I was trying to kind of work through that, maybe balance the wheel a little better, but I found that just running these 2 pockets seems really well balanced. And then, yeah, not vibrating like crazy, but it's cutting really good. And the machines, I'm able to keep it up in the RPMs a little better anyways. And so it's been really good. Yeah, this little machine, I just had it tuned up recently, so it's running real good. I'm loving it. But yeah, built these pockets myself, had them, well, I originally built the pockets on my own, and then I sent them off to a machine shop from a buddy that I know and had him make up a whole bunch of these out of 4140 steel. And yeah, they're great. Direct bolt on, swap right over to Greenteeth. Love it. You know, you're holding up way better in the grit and gravel than you would with the stock teeth. And yeah, you can rotate these teeth as well. It's just the way to go, I think. You know, before I was really struggling with those stock teeth, and I hated running this machine. I mean, I still don't enjoy it, but it's way better now than it was when it was stock with those stock teeth. But yeah, anybody needs pockets, let me know. But yeah, enjoy the video.